My name is Uma Nath.
Pranit Kumar.
Pranit, nice to meet you. Basically, would just like to know which discipline you come from and.
Yeah, I'm from CSE background. Computer Science Engineering. Completed my Computer Science Engineering from Mathurs Engineering College.
Okay.
Affiliated to Usmania University.
Oh, very good. So, how do you want to actually look for the next move that you're making?
Yeah, I've already completed my CSE. I've got a CSE background. So I'm very much interested in computer science fields. So basically, I'm good at C, C++, .NET, or even I can learn any languages. So I can participate in any of the programs or any of the streams you have provided me to work on.
Okay. Give me a little about yourself. Where do you start life, and who are you, and where you come from? And
I am Pranit Kumar T. I have come from Hanamkonda, Warangal district. I have completed my engineering in Mathurs College. I have completed my schooling in Vignan Vidyalayas at Hyderabad. I have completed my schooling in Kajipet, St. Gabriel's High School. I have represented my school in cricket member team. I was a member of the cricket in school, intermediate, and even engineering college. So I have given some seminars in the schoolings.
Express your thoughts fluently and maintain eye contact.
Nanotechnology.
Nanotechnology. So that's where you're interested in. Okay. And tell me, if you came from Kazipet and you came to Hyderabad, where do you want to go next?
I want to move higher, ma'am.
As what?
As I want to do my MBA.
Lack of clarity on career path and not focused.
Organization where I work.
Okay. Brothers and sisters?
I have 3 sisters, 3 younger sisters and 1 younger brother.
And you're the eldest?
Yeah.
And the rest are all?
My younger sisters are married.
Married?
Married.
All 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
My brother is looking for groups. He's preparing for groups.
Okay. Group 1 or Group 2?
Group
services?
2.
Group 2 services. Okay. And your parents?
My parents, my father is a retired agricultural officer.
Okay.
My mother is housewife, homemaker.
Okay. So what are your plans? How are you looking at your short-term goals, and what are your medium-term goals and long-term goals?
Right now, my short-term goal is I want to get a real-time experience, real-time environment experience. How can I work? How can I communicate with the other persons in real time? How can I manage time? How can I manage communication with the others? When it comes to long-term, I want to lead the organization. Basically, I've got the leading capability. When I represented my team, I was the captain of the country, my team. So I've got the leading capabilities. So I'd like to lead the team or lead the organization where I work.
And if you're looking at one single thing that you want to change about yourself, what is it?
I don't know how to say no.
So you have to learn how to be tough.
How to be tough.
Yeah.
So whatever they say, I'll agree with them. So I don't know how to say.
As a leader, that is going to be very difficult.
Yes, ma'am. That's what my major problem is. That's where I want to recover.
And if you had to do one thing to change this country, what would you do?
One thing to change this country.
This country.
Providing
good and apt response to the question and confident.
Even then we are growing up because of the agriculture they are providing. When they have good educational background, they can provide better and better agricultural facility for India. So we can compete with the world.
Suppose your integrity was challenged in some way, somebody came and gave you a big bribe and said, will you do this? How would you react?
I hope I can do this. I will try my level best. This is the only answer I can give.
But will you accept that bribe, or?
Maybe yes.
Why?
Because I've got that.
Get the questions right and seek for clarification if you are in doubt.
To do this work. So will you take the bribe?
Yes, ma'am.
They'll give you money which is not legal to do this work. Is that still acceptable to you?
Okay. No.
No. Yeah. Bribe ante lancham. Okay. If somebody is giving you a bribe and he asks you to do the work, even if you can do the work, would your mind or conscience allow you to do the work?
No.
No.
Definitely.
Okay. So you feel that you're going to change the country by providing education, which is very laudable. And if you look at it, I love the way you said you have to learn how to say no. A lot of people find it very difficult to say no. And in leadership positions, saying no is an art. You have not to hurt the other person, but yet you have to say no. It's very nice.
And even he should not feel anything wrong. Even he has to move the same way as he had moved
before. So, if you were to work for 5 years in one place and you're given the leadership role, what is the first thing you'll change in an organization that you're working for?
It's the teamwork I'll develop in the my team. That's the teamwork is the first major point where they can develop communication skills and even their technical skills with communicating with the team among them. So this is the main criteria where we have to grow.
The interview went through like a question answer session. Interviewer's sitting posture is very confident. He may bring in liveliness by smiling and explaining the question with anecdotes to gain more mileage.